Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm gonna talk about for loop. So I'm gonna talk about actually three loop. One is for loop, then the other one is while loop, and the last one is do while loop. So the first one is for loop, and these three loops are actually very basic. Whatever language you are learning, you will get these three loops. So the for loop is, let me write a comment. The for loop is you write something within this bracket, and then that is executed. So suppose I am just taking I and I'm just assigning I equal to 0. Then you have to put a semicolon. Then I can just write I less than 10. Then I can just write I plus plus. So what is happening over here, I'm just stating that the value of I is 0 and I cannot be greater than 10 or equal to 10. It has to be less than 10. So if you just think of it, I can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and these are the values that I can have. And what I'm saying, I'm just saying I plus plus. That means take I, then increase 1. This plus plus means 1. So whenever you are using I plus plus, it will increase the value by 1. So let's just write CLG, which is console log, and here I'm just gonna write my anything like JavaScript is fun. So I want to output JavaScript is fun in the console, and you can see over here it is showing 10. That means it has given this output 10 times. You are seeing this like this because this is the same output. If I just change it, or if I just have I over here, I can't have I like this. If I show I like this, it will just show the I, but instead of this I want the value, so like 0, 1, 2, 3. So what I can do, I can just use something like this. I can just use backtick, and this is backtick. So this is something that you can use in modern JavaScript. You can use the I variable within this with the help of $sign. So the way you can do that, you can actually write $sign, then this curly braces, then I. So if I just save this right now, you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is less than 10, and this starts from 0. As I stated over here, I has to be 0. So if I just write something else over here, like day 1, day I, which will be 0, Java, so it has to be within the backtick, JavaScript is fun. If I just save this one, you can see day 0 JavaScript is fun, day 1 JavaScript is fun. So it has shown the output till it got the value of less than 10. So if I just write here 1, and if I write here 11, so it will give me the value from 1 to 10, and it won't increase anymore. So let's save this one, and here you can see day 1 JavaScript is fun, and it has continued till day 10. So you can use something like this. So what is happening over here, this is taking the value of I equal to 1, then this is this is just watching whether 1 is less than 11. Yes, 1 is less than 11. Then it is increasing 1 plus 1. So this is showing this output once. Then it is having the value of I equal to 2. Then it is going through the same statement. Is 2 less than 11? Yes. Then this is showing this line again. Then this is adding plus 1. Then it's saying is 3 less than 11. So this is running the process till this fails. When this becomes 10, this is the last time this shows the output. So this is something that you can do with for loop. and this is fun because in the future you will be using loop a lot and for loop a lot. So getting the basics of for loop right is very important. So I'm sure you got it till now, but whenever you are using something like this, a variable inside of something like this, you need to use backtick, which you can find below the escape button in your keyboard to the left, at the top to the left. So this is not this one, this is not this one, this is this one. So this I used this I used over here. So this is something that you can use when you are dealing with modern JavaScript. So yeah, I guess you'll learn for loop in this video. I'll be tackling while loop and do while loop in my next 2 videos. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.